Hello my beautiful followers. Today we want to share with you the making of an automatic transfer switch or automatic changeover switch. Please note that everything we have done here is for training purposes only. This should not be implemented for either private or public use. So let us do the wiring. So the wire is completed, and this is what we have. But we're just going to make use of only one phase, though it's wired as a three-phase system. So this is red, yellow, and blue phases going all the way to this contactor, and this is red, yellow, and blue phases going all the way to that contactor. So what we expect is that this one, which controls the mains, when there is mains available here and this breaker is closed, this timer is going to delay for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, it will energize this contactor, and when this contactor is energized, it sends power to this breaker. If this breaker is on, this indicator should be on. And if we are on a generator and this breaker is closed, this timer will delay the power for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, it sends the power to this one, this contactor, and this contactor now routes the power to this breaker. If it is closed, the load will be on. But while we are using generator and mains is restored, this guy delays for 5 seconds, and this one closes, and immediately this one is about to close, this one trips. How that works is that the neutral line to the coil of this contactor passes through the normally closed contact of this contactor, so that whenever this contactor is lifted up, that is, it is open, that is the only time this one can close. Because if this one closes and this one closes, there's going to be a conflict between the power coming from the mains and the power coming from the generator. So this is what we call an electrical interlock system. So what that means is that this contactor can only close when this contactor is lifted up, and this one can never close if this one is closed. But this is the priority contactor, which is for mains. Whenever it is closed, even if there is power on this place, this one cannot close. But if this one is closed, whenever power comes to this one and the power is safe here, it will close and it will force this one to open. So let us see what we have. If we have NEPA, this shows on the indicator. After 5 seconds, this one closes and you see we have our load on. So even if there is power on the generator like this, it will show there is power on the generator. The indicator here will show there is power on the generator, but this contactor cannot close. It's not possible because of this electrical interlock that we have here. So, but if NEPA fails, or if the mains fails, like this one will close immediately, supplying power to close. But while the generator is running and mains is restored like this, 5 seconds closes and it opens this one and we still have power. So let us take it again. We don't have mains, and then mains is restored that way. There is no way these two can close at the same time because of this interlock system that we have. So we don't have a generator now. So we only have mains and our load that is on. If mains fails, everything collapses. Everything collapses. So I'm going to increase the delay time here to 10 seconds to enable us to explain better, and just calibrate it. It's easy, set it to 10. So now we're going to run on our generator. There is no mains now. NEPA has failed. So we turn the generator. It's going to delay for 10 seconds before this one will close. So when it closes, this one comes on. But while we are running on this generator and the mains is restored, like this, it shows there's mains. This one delays for 10 seconds. When it is closing, this one closes and this one lifts. That's all. And this one remains. Of course, the generator is going to run for some time before it shuts down if it is in automatic mode. If it is not in automatic mode, a different alarm, which is powered by this particular one, will let your generator operator to know that mains have been restored. And then it goes all the way to shut down the generator. Shut it to the power. So if you like this video, please share the video and let me know in the comment section, and of course follow me for more tips and power. Thank you very much.